So the Vocational Access course is designed for learners who may not have initially gotten onto their course they wanted to go on. And Vocational Access provides an opportunity for them to develop the skills or experiences or qualifications they need to progress onto a high-level course, a route that they want to go down to.
College has helped me in so many ways to boost my confidence. I have been more confident when working and meeting new friends.
Vocational Access has a wide range of learners from all walks of life who may want to progress onto a variety of different courses. So the main focus for us is making sure that they develop the skills they need to progress onto their chosen course, whether that's media, mechanics, catering, health and social care, barbering, whatever it might be.
I have been confident when producing presentations in class, as well as being independent and pushing myself to learn at home.
The success of vocational access courses is that learners that might not necessarily have enjoyed school or may not be certain what they want to do, they can access specialist vocational settings in sector-leading environments, and they can use that to make decisions about what they do next. No matter what their background is, a vocational access learner will be prepared to take next steps about how they approach their work and about how they develop a specific set of skills that leads to the next step. College might seem like quite a scary experience, so what we try to do here is to ensure that learners are able to access the range of resources that Cardiff and Vale College provides on each of their sites, whilst at the same time finding a transition to accessing those in a way that enables learners to feel comfortable in that. Some young people are able to come in here and jump straight into everything that college can offer, whereas some learners may take a little bit more time.
At Cardiff and Vale College, we recognise that learners have been in their current educational setting for many years and have become settled and have progressed well and built relationships with the teams there. And we recognise that we need to ensure that we're working with them early to support that transition. So we have an enhanced transition process that's led by our inclusive learning team, and they will ensure that there's a key contact that is supporting that transition from school to college. We provide lots of opportunities for the learners to come in, to experience what it's like as part of experience days, to meet the team, to be shown around. We do that during quieter times, and we ensure that that experience is bespoke to the needs of that learner and their family to support that process.
So we gently introduce them to the aspects of college that they're going to want to get involved in, whilst having that security of a course tutor that is their signpost, is their linchpin whilst they're in college, and that tight course team that is there to support them.
Vocational Access Level 1 is helping me to upgrade on all my skills.
I think one of the most valuable things that Vocational Access offers is the pathways. They get to experience what it's like to be on a higher level course in their more thematic areas, and that gives them a bit of a taster into the skills they need to progress. They study a variety of subjects focused around the individual to help them progress on the course they want to progress onto. They all look at developing a personal progression plan, how to be organised, how to get onto the course that they want to progress onto, and what skills they need to develop for that.
Throughout the second year of college, I have developed on my English skills quite a lot, and the same with maths. So I have developed on my teamwork skills and independence.
So every term on Vocational Access, we do one-to-ones with our learners just to check progress, make sure that they feel that they're on the right course, that they're getting the support they need, and they allow learners to have an opportunity to bring any kind of concerns to us as well that we can talk about with them in a kind of formal but also really informal way, so they know us. You know, it's all about building that relationship with the learner and give them a chance to say what they want to say without every other student around them.
We're really lucky to employ here is staff who've got a range of experiences they can draw on, and we really hope that by giving them a wealth of different experiences in different settings, both inside the classroom and outside the classroom, they can have that thing, find that vocation that will take them through to that next course. This isn't about classroom learning, this is about trying something new, about finding something new, and about progressing into adulthood.
This is the right course for me, I would say.
So at CAVC, there are a range of facilities that learners can access. We've got our ALN hubs, So if learners need a quieter space or they need to go and access support, they've got the opportunity to do that. We have got breakout rooms where learners may need to go for dysregulation and time to work through their emotions and be supported to be able to engage in their learning. And then we've also got a range of areas like the atrium, where there's access to the shops and other sort of retail outlets that learners can be part of college life, as well as the student life area. And we also have access to health and wellbeing activities across our campuses.
We're trying to create as much of a supportive process for application as we possibly can. So from online applications through to that first day in college, we're looking to get to know students, get to know what we can do to give them the best possible experience in college. So when you come in to speak to staff about courses, you'll be part of an experience day. This will give you a chance to meet staff, to have a look around the building, to get to know some of the other young people that'll be on courses with you. We're trying to make sure from the first moment that you step foot in college, you're learning about what it's going to be like to be a student here. What makes the vocational access team really proud is that when learners come back 2 years later and they tell us where they are, they talk about either the courses that they've progressed to or the employment that they've chosen as a result of their learning. And we're still learning about how to shape our teaching and learning to help them get there. But there is nothing prouder for us than when learners come back and tell us what they're doing now.
I think what makes vocational access stand out is the variety of learners on the course. And I think that's what the unique selling point of vocational access is. It's a course that's made for everyone.